Hey, Mark. What's up? Listen, Mark, we need to talk, man.
Oh, yeah, sure. What's up, Matt?
Listen, I talk to business owners all the time, and it's always the same story.
Oh, yes, Matt. What do they say?
They're hurting, Mark. They're hurting.
Oh, no.
It's their cookies, Mark. Damn it. You took their cookies.
I didn't take their cookies. Tim took their cookies, but everyone's blaming me.
I know, Mark. But listen, they're all leaving.
Where are they going, Matt?
They're dancing, Mark. They're dancing with teenagers.
Oh, no. Not.
That's right, Mark. They all went to TikTok. And they all look ridiculous.
But, Matt, I can't fix it.
I know. Since 2021, Facebook's ad business has been in a steep decline, as its products have, let's just call it what it is, started to suck. If you're one of the millions out there who used to grow their business through Facebook ads and now feel lost with all of your campaigns broken, I'm going to tell you what's going on, and then I'm going to tell you how you can fix it in this video. So let's talk about cookies. Third-party cookies are little pieces of code from platforms like Facebook that businesses put on their sites. This code automatically then tracks everyone that comes to the site and sends the data of what they did on that site back to the platform, like Facebook. So essentially everything that you do online is tracked and given to social media platforms with nobody paying a dime. That is, until Apple stepped in 2021 and changed the game. Apple changed the default privacy settings on iPhone, either completely blocking these cookies or forcing users to choose if they wanted to block them or not on a per app basis. And that devastated Facebook and Instagram ads as we know it. And that's why you're having so much trouble. Do they still work? Absolutely. Do they work as well? No. Do they work differently? Yeah, definitely. Okay, so that's what is going on. That's why everything's gone to shit. So now you want to know what you can do about it, of course. I have 3 main points you need to focus on, and this is really important. Make sure to stick around for all 3 because the last one is the most important one. The first thing that every business should strongly consider is putting more of their resources into creative and taking them away from media buying. Actually buying the ads on social is not the hard part. Since the algorithm is now starved by a lack of data, literally being choked off, the bulk of the targeting is done now by the creative. We can't trust the algorithm to find the perfect person at the perfect time for our ad anymore. We need to use the creative in the ad to empathetically target our idea to our customers. That's how it works now. A great way to start doing that is to use my hero system for social video. I'll put a link to that video in the description. Okay, number 2, this is important, diversification. I know you've heard this before, but let me put this a little bit more firmly. You really need to start getting tests going on TikTok ads and YouTube ads. You've got to start testing these. On YouTube ads, you're simply going to get much more intent-based traffic because it's based on search and Google's big data. So you need to start testing there because even though the costs are about the same as Facebook, Meta, damn it, I always mess that up. Meta. The leads and customers are usually a lot better. I've been doing a ton of testing on TikTok ads, and I'm working on a video right now on how to use TikTok ads to build your email list. Subscribe right now to make sure you don't miss that video when it comes out. I know you're gonna get a ton of value for it, and I'm excited for you to try it. And number 3, you need to become a content machine. This is so important. I am no longer a believer in advertising to cold traffic with very expensive direct response campaigns. I mean, if you've got like 25, 30 grand to just blow on testing, sure, maybe you can do it. But most of us don't have that. And so much of the data is cut off now. It's time to start thinking in terms of building warm audiences and converting them rather than simply converting cold audiences right from the beginning. It's so much harder and so much more expensive. So you need to be putting out at least, I know this is daunting, at least 10 to 12 pieces of content every day across platforms. They don't all have to be unique, but they do have to be posted. That's very important. Okay, here's a couple other videos you can watch right now to start taking this advice and really running with it. Pick the one you want to start with and get saving your business from the meta-apocalypse. See what I did there? You like it? Yeah?